Welcome to Crowny JMS tutorial. In this video, let's see how to add reviewers. In our previous video, we have seen how the editorial screening takes place in Crayoni and how the manuscript moves to the review stage. Once the manuscript passes the initial screening and moves to the review stage, this is how the interface looks like. In the left hand side, you can see all the filter option. You can see how many reviewers invited, invitation accepted. If any revision is requested, it will be shown under this revision requested tab. All the filters will be shown in the left hand side. Under this review file section, you can see the files which is moved to the review stage. So the EIC or the journal manager wants to add any other additional files, they can add it from here. Click on additional files and choose the file type and upload the file here. So this is how the additional file options looks like. Next is the pre-review discussion session. In this session, the editorial user can have a chat session with the author or the other editorial user to clarify if there is any doubt. So next one is the participant section. For the particular submission, the participant list will be listed out here. If the editorial user want to assign any new participant, they can now click on assign, select the role name and assign the participants here. So now you can see the new participants for this submission has been assigned. Now let's see how to add the new reviewers. Go to all review tab, click on add reviewer. In Crayoni JMS, while adding the reviewer, two new options will be opening. One is create new queue and add an individual reviewer. Now first let's explore what is create new option. When an editorial user chooses the create new option, Crayoni JMS will be handling the reviewer limit by itself. Let's say for example, if you want to invite 10 reviewers and you want only 2 reviewers to review the manuscript. So you can set the reviewer limit as 2. Once after the 2 reviewers accept the invite, all other pending invitation will be getting cancelled. Now let's select the reviewer from the list. Click on explore all reviewers. For the particular journal, all the reviewers will be shown here. So the editorial user can use the smart filter option to choose the reviewer based on the expertise, rating and availability. First, I'm choosing the reviewer based on the expertise. So I am selecting 3 reviewers now and setting the review limit as 2. So this is how the queue option works. I'm inviting the 3 reviewers and setting the review limit as 2. Once 2 reviewers accepts the invite, the other pending invitation will be getting cancelled. So this reduces the manual effort of the editorial user to go manually cancel the review invite. So next step is choosing the review type, response due date, review due date. In selecting the review form which the reviewer needs to be filled and selecting the review files. What all the files needs to move to the review and sending the welcome message to the reviewer. So once all the details are filled, the editorial user can hit assign reviewer. Now you can see the 3 reviewers has been invited. So once you click here, the reviewer information will be shown here. The reviewer mail ID, review sent file, and what type of review type it is sent, and the reviewer form. All this information will be showing here. If the editorial user wants to edit this created queue, they can go here, click on add reviewer. 3 options will be opening. One is edit existing queue and another one is the create new queue. If the editorial wants to edit the existing queue, they can click on edit existing queue. So the queue number will be asked and they can edit the reviewer list from here. If they want to add any other more reviewers to this list, they can add it from here and select the response and review due date. You can see here another reviewer has been added. So once this in this 4 reviewer or 2 reviewer accepts the invite, other 2 pending invitation will be getting cancelled. Now let's see what is add individual reviewer option. This option is used when An editorial user feels this reviewer would be the perfect fit for this manuscript to review. At times, the editorial user can use this option. So, they can invite the reviewers from the list, individual reviewer, and select the review type, review due date, same as review form, and review files will be selected, and the welcome message. So the welcome message will be entered. So here the queue concept doesn't work here. So once after entering all the details, hit assign reviewer. Now you can see totally 5 reviewers has been invited. In the queue option, 4 reviewers, and in an individual option, 4 reviewers has been invited. So this is how this review system in Crayoni works. So the editorial user feels any invitation needs to be cancelled, they can just go here. Under this action, there is an option for cancel reviewer. So in our next video, let's see how the reviewer accepts the invite and how the review process takes place.